Hi, in this video, we will be talking about the 3 seeds that can help lessen symptoms of nerve damage. This might be something new to you, but stay with me so that you can know your options because these seeds actually have proven by clinical studies to effectively lower numbness and pins and needle sensation caused by nerve injury. Stay with me until the end so you will know how much you should take, how to prepare it, and the last option which is readily available, and lastly, how to know and to keep track of your symptoms if this one had been helpful for you. Hi, this is again Dr. Cherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you practical health tips and home exercise programs that you can surely benefit from. Here are the 3 seeds that have been proven by clinical studies to effectively lower symptoms of nerve damage. Pumpkin seeds. Do you know that these humble seeds are actually considered a nutrient powerhouse? Well, simply because it is actually loaded with lots of important minerals like magnesium, calcium, iron, protein, even the healthy form of fat, and is also a good source of dietary fiber. Now, when we talk about neuropathy symptoms, pumpkin seeds can help you in 2 ways. Number 1, it can improve how your nerves generally function. And number 2, it can lessen symptoms of nerve damage. When it comes to nerve function, do you know that your nerves actually need sufficient amount of magnesium for your nerves to function well? This is because magnesium actually helps to regulate calcium ions that helps with nerve impulse transmission. Nerve impulse transmission in the body, it's like electrical cables connecting different parts of your body to your brain and vice versa. And this actually allows you to feel different sensations like pain, temperature, heat, warmth, cold, and even allow your muscles to move. Powerful, right? But do you know that any imbalance with these ions, it can actually impair or affect electrical impulse, which in turn can lead to different symptoms like numbness, pins and needle sensation, and even sharp shooting type of pain caused by nerve damage. Not only that, you will also have bonus benefits when you incorporate pumpkin seeds in your daily diet. Pumpkin seeds actually contain a compound known as tryptophan. These can actually help people who have difficulty sleeping due to insomnia because these can induce relaxation. And mind you, regular eating of this humble seed can actually improve your skin quality because it has zinc content that can stimulate collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and even get rid of acne. How much should you have? Well, clinical studies have actually shown that 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds daily will give you the benefits. And how do you incorporate it in your daily diet? Some would roast pumpkin seeds and have it for your snack. So instead of reaching out to sugary snacks, have pumpkin seeds readily available instead. This will improve neuropathy symptoms over time. Well, how would you know if these had been helpful in your symptoms? Try to notice for yourself the severity and the duration of the numbness and pins and needle sensation. If you will have pumpkin seeds regularly, you can expect an improvement in your symptoms. The second seed that you can incorporate in your diet to naturally relieve symptoms caused by nerve damage is flax seeds. Do you know that it is actually boosting with alpha-linolenic acid? This is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that have been proven in clinical studies to effectively lower the inflammation in an injured nerve. And lastly, it is also good because it will help prevent worsening of your neuropathy symptoms. ALA had been proven to have or help with nerve repair and nerve regeneration because ALA will serve as building blocks for the formation of new nerve cells and even for the repair of damaged ones. Now, here are the added benefits that you can get if you incorporate flaxseed daily in your diet. You will have a compound known as lignan. Lignan is actually proven to help balance hormones and is helpful for women who are experiencing menopausal symptoms. One more thing. Lignan have also been found and proven in clinical studies to actually prevent certain types of cancer. So these are really helpful for those who have family history of CA. And mind you, clinical studies have actually proven that flax seeds can actually promote apoptosis or cell death in cancer cells. How much flaxseed should you have? Clinical studies have shown that 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds daily can help you have the benefits. How would you incorporate it in your diet, right? Ground flaxseed is one of the easiest ways to incorporate flax seeds into your routine. You can add it to various dishes without altering the texture significantly. Start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to smoothies. You can blend ground flaxseed with your favorite fruits, yogurt, or smoothie. You can also sprinkle it in top of your oatmeal or cereal. You can also sprinkle flaxseed meal over your morning oatmeal to boost fiber and omega-3 intake. You can mix flaxseed into your yogurt along with honey or fruit for added texture and flavor. Or you can stir flaxseed into soups and stews just before serving to thicken the consistency slightly and boost your nutrition. Try to keep a neuropathy symptom journal and monitor any changes in sensation, pain, or mobility. Consistency is key to gauge your progress. Before we continue to the last type of seed that had been proven in clinical studies to effectively manage symptoms of nerve damage, at this point I would really like to ask a tiny favor from you to please click the like button below if you're one with me in the goal in looking for alternative and complementary ways to help ease neuropathy symptoms naturally, because you just can't purely rely on pure medication alone. You need to take an active role in your health. Thank you very much. That is deeply appreciated. Chia seeds. Do you know that chia seeds can actually help you lessen symptoms of nerve damage naturally? Well, that is because in majority or in many cases, neuropathy happens as a complication of diabetes. And in this case, chia seeds will be helpful because it has been proven to help regulate blood sugar level because of its high fiber content. So if the cause of the numbness is due to diabetic neuropathy, then chia seeds would be very helpful for you. Chia seeds is also helpful for weight management because do you know that if you're currently experiencing neuropathy symptoms, plus you also gain weight, it is more likely that you will have increase of symptoms because weight gain can actually cause more pressure to your affected nerve. Weight management is something you should not neglect with neuropathy treatment. Bonus benefit of chia seed, it would be helpful for people who currently or constantly feel tired. Chia seed is actually boosting with protein and it can give you energy all throughout the day without any extra calories. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds will give you the benefits. The best way to prepare chia seed is to prepare for yourself a chia pudding. To do this, you get almond milk, you mix in or you blend 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and top it with your favorite food and leave it in the fridge overnight. This will serve as your breakfast. To improve symptoms of nerve damage, you cannot expect instant result from these seeds, but over time, it will help you get rid of numbness and pain pins and needles sensation naturally. These are the 3 powerful seeds that have been proven by clinical research to help you with neuropathy symptoms. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment seeds in the comment section below. If you want to know about effective home strategies to get rid of the numbness in your hands, feet, and lower leg, I have a video here. Check on it. It will greatly help you. Plus, you should also be educated and informed on the type of ingredients that can actually exacerbate or increase neuropathy symptoms. You can check it here as well. Should you have any questions regarding this video, please comment down below because I would really get back on you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. I will see you on our next video. God bless you.